Alright everyone, here is video number 8. Latest progress would be a recap from the last video. I did finally get the black GT emblems on all the way around the vehicle. Both fenders and the rear trunk lid. But I have to admit, I do like the glossy black. Take another quick peek at the rear bumper, or the rear trunk lid. Booyah! Nice. Looks good, looks good. Nice and subtle, but classy. Alright, so I finally, after 3 days, and oh, I had to buy this fancy guy, a respirator, because working underneath this car with all of the fumes coming off from the undercoating spray, it was pretty nasty. So, just to give you a quick overview of the undercoating, it looks pretty good. Pretty good, nice and clean, all uniform looking. I'm gonna grab my creeper here and we'll get underneath the vehicle and take a quick peek. So here's the undercarriage. Looks nice. Slide a little closer underneath here. Again, everything's been freshened up. Under the tail end real quick to get around my jack stands. So yeah, everything looks super nice. I did undercoat the original differential cover, but that's okay because I'm replacing it with a nice shiny chrome one. Got a little bit of running right there, but that's not too bad. I can sand that down and rub it out some. Last couple bottles of undercoating did not spray very well. Yeah, you can see quite a bit of runs in it. Touch up all of that. Finish it off, make it look nice. But yeah, so the undercoating is finally done. probably my least favorite part of the project. But yeah, so we got in the last 24 hours finished up the undercoating and got the decals on. Next video, as soon as the UPS guy arrives with my next purchase, I will give you guys a video tour of all of the new components that I bought for this thing so far. There's some pretty fun stuff. Some of it you guys have seen already, but I've got it all laid out already, just waiting on the cams. Yeah, there's the transmission tunnel. But all right, we'll see you guys in video number 9.